Hi there, I'm Matt Keene. Thanks for visiting Creating a Future We Want. Here I am at sort of helping out doing one of my favorite things in gardening is sort of helping joining other folks as they get their garden started. We worked the last couple days clearing out a space and digging it, adding compost and soil here, and now we have our humble beginnings of a little garden spot here. My wife put in some little walking stone or bricks to make the way around the garden, and we've got stakes for lots of trellising to happen. Some little spots here for dug pretty deeply, and excellent soil put in for the squash and pumpkin, little watermelon. They'll grow out into the yard. Give my father a little less grass to cut because, as you can see, he's a farmer, but kind of farming a lot of the same thing. So we got a lot of trellis set up. We'll have to have a little bit of deer netting, not that it's a huge problem here, but basically, so they don't come and just eat everything in a couple months. But lots of beautiful soil. I planted some radishes and cabbage and some beans, some very cool, lots of beans from the Southwest, some Native American varieties that do pretty well around here. Got some squash, rampicante zuccherino from Italy, and also a Long Island cheese pumpkin, spaghetti squash, a few other things, some basil and such. So just let's say modest early days here, but we'll see what happens in the next few months. Thanks for visiting Creating a Future We Want. I'm Matt Keene. Good luck with your gardening this spring. Hope it goes well for you.